Hi everyone, Roy here. So my main topic today is to talk about food crisis. Before going into detail about food crisis, I'm going to explain to you what food crisis is all about. Food crisis is actually when rates of hunger and malnutrition rise sharply at local, national and global levels. And also there is a dramatic increase in food prices which causes the economy to become unstable and it caused social disturbance in both poor and developed countries. So, what is food crisis all about? To let you guys know, we are entering a new and dangerous phase of human history where food, water, and energy shortages threaten not only world poverty but also civic unrest and international conflict. Why is this happening to us? Because in recent years, we only just produce enough food to cover our uses. According to statistics, in the 6 of the last 11 years, we actually consume slightly more food than we produce. So, it's when we look into the future that things grow very dire indeed. First of all is the rise of population. How can we feed 9 billion people on Earth? Secondly, is the skyrocketing of food prices. Comparing from now and to the last 2 years, 100 ringgit can probably last you for a week. But now, can 100 ringgit last you for 2 or 3 days? Third, is our rich diet that takes a lot more resources to produce than they used. And our driving our demands for food going up. But to produce this food is going to be tough. Why? Because the rising demand coming precisely at the same time, as high energy price and climate change are making food harder and more expensive to produce. So here are the few solutions to solve food crisis. One of the first strategy is science and technology. Today, a major scientific hurdle is to develop technologies that will help farmers to reach their potential in terms of the amount of food they produce. So, scientists must partner with farmers to develop locally appropriate solutions to local challenges. The second strategy is to reduce the amount of food waste. By how? It's very simple. Always finish your food on a plate and appreciate it because always think of the people that are starving in Africa. Just because you are fortunate than others doesn't mean you can take things for granted. So always remember to finish your food and not to waste it. This is a very important thing that we can all do to solve this food crisis because it's all start within ourselves. So moving on to the third strategy, if we want to avoid a hungry future, we need to make sure we keep healthy populations of the farm and farmers around our cities. This means we need to support local food systems which are important because they are stand as a buffer between individual consumers and problems that might occur in the global market. Even if the local food system do not feed us all the time, they are a critical line of defense against the hunger. So, this is the end of my short video. I hope this video will spread an awareness to the world about food crisis. And to solve this problem, it all start within ourselves. I hope everyone can work together to make this world a better place to live in.